Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to integrate Clickup with Notion. So without wasting any more time, let's start out today's video. Integrating Clickup with Notion can streamline your workflow by allowing you to view and manage Clickup tasks directly within Notion. Here's how you can do it. Using link previews. Copy Clickup link. Go to the Clickup task or project you want to integrate and copy its link. Paste in Notion. Open your Notion page and paste the Clickup link. Select Paste as Preview when prompted. This will create a detailed preview of your Clickup content in Notion using third-party tools. For more advanced integrations, you can use third-party tools like Zapier to create automated workflows between Clickup and Notion. Here's a basic outline. Step 1. Sign up for Zapier. Create an account on Zapier. Step 2. Create a Zap. Select a new Zap with Clickup as the trigger app and Notion as the action app. At last, step 3. Configure triggers and actions. Define the specific triggers and actions to automate your workflow. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.